Wishing you a very happy birthday, dear Papa. Let's rock the party.
Very happy birthday, my baby. To tell you frankly, I'm a very proud mother who walks with the head in the air. Wish you a happy, healthy, and long life with more feathers to come in your cap.
Hi Kapish, ever since you were a little boy, you have been a joy, a blessing, and a son to be proud of. You fill our days with everlasting warmth and laughter, and you are wished a very, very happy and wonderful days ahead. We all wish you a very happy birthday. I am sure that when you get into 40s, you make a life Vedanta so that you escort yourself from all evils of the future. Take care and be a good boy.
राम जी जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई एवं आशीर्वाद। खुश रहो, प्रसन्न रहो, मम्मी पापा की सेवा करते रहो। जय श्री राम।
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो, हमारी तरफ से बहुत आशीर्वाद।
Happy birthday to you, Fufu. Thank you आपने मेरे न्यू बॉटल मंगाई। Thank you आपने मेरे न्यू टैम्पोलिन मंगाया।
चलो मम्मा के पास चलेंगे।
Thank you, love you, bye.
हाँ भाई, वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। तेरी तरह यार वी कांट डू दैट पोएम एंड स्टफ। वो अभी मेरे पास इतना तो वो नहीं है कि मैं कहाँ से पोएम पकड़ूँ और क्या पकड़ूँ, बट दिल से विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। आई थिंक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम दिस इज़ अ ईयर इसमें हम लोग पार्टी नहीं कर पा रहे, लेकिन एनी हाउ दिस विल पास सून and wishing you a happy birthday, and there is a surprise waiting for you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kapish. This man is a man of few words, so you know him better than I do. So very very happy birthday to you, and I would like to say that really want to thank you for being there for us. I mean, we can always count on you as the big brother. So thank you for that. It's love. It's awesome to see your love for your dear Gundi brother. The kind of bond that you guys share. It's just outstanding. It's something that very few people are, lucky to have this kind of a relationship, which is thicker than blood. So God bless both your relationships, and wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and a great year ahead, and take care.
Happy birthday, Jiju. Many, many more to come. Wishing you love, success, and happiness always and forever.
Happy birthday, sir. Have a wonderful day. Stay healthy. Cheers.
Happy birthday, जीजू।
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। आज धनतेरस के मौके पर प्रभु करे आपको बहुत सारा धन मिले, ऐसी हमारी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना रहेगी।
Wish you good health, happiness always.
बाय।
A very happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very healthy and a spicy year ahead. मजे करो, have a rocking birthday. मेरी तरफ से एक Macallan लगा लेना और एक प्लीज मेरे पास भिजवा देना. But yes, please don't forget, it should be Macallan 78. Thank you very much. Wishing you a very very happy birthday.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Cupcake Mostaki, may God bless you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Yorupolo uncle. I will always remember how you went to Kedarnath and Badrinath without me. Although it is your birthday today, I want to wish you a very very happy birthday. I really miss you.
यार एक एक करके विश करते हैं ना, धक्का मुक्के क्यों करते हैं? फाइन। ओ यार वीडियोस
अरे यार पहले हाथ तो सैनिटाइज करो। एक हाँ जी भाई, मास्क की तो जरूरत है नहीं, सोशल तो डिस्टेंसिंग
ठीक है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ठीक, क्वाइट गुड। देख भाई, आज सुनाते हैं हम तुझे तुम्हारा बर्थडे फॉरकास्ट, ठीक है? इट्स गोइंग टू बी वार्म।
ना इट इज कपीश, इट्स गोइंग टू बी कोल्ड।
ओह ओके ओके, एंड सनी।
या
सनी आउटसाइड, लॉट्स ऑफ AQI।
घर में ही रहना भाई, बिल्कुल
स्टे होम।
There will be very high chances of a lot of calls, WhatsApp messages, maybe cards sanitize कर लेना।
भाई अब कार्ड्स एंड प्रेजेंट तो मिल ही गए होंगे, इतनी अच्छी बीवी जो दी है भगवान ने, शुक्र मनाओ भाई। Very nice.
And there is an extremely high chance of cakes and candles as well.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Get it.
But occasionally there can be a feeling of you feeling old. Honestly, वैसे कपीश, I am not going to crack any age-related jokes today. Reason being, I'm genuinely sorry for how old you have become.
Yeah.
But
Personal experience.
अंकित ने 2 शब्द लिखे हैं आपके जन्मदिन पे जो वो सुनाना चाहते हैं।
ओह हाँ भाई, देखो ना आसमान से गिराए गए हो ना ऊपर से टपकाए गए हो, आप जैसे लोग मिलते कहाँ हैं, आप तो ऑर्डर देके बनवाए गए।
But genuinely, Kapish, here's to another year filled with us cracking at our own jokes, laughing out loud, and dealing with stupid people who crack jokes on all the practical, non-practical situations. We both know who we are talking about. And really have a great birthday. Wish we were together to celebrate it. All the best.
Wish you a very happy birthday and a fabulous year ahead. Bye.
Bye.
Kapish. Video making is really not my game, but I'm doing this because it's for you. I wish we could celebrate this special day together like we did last year and the previous year. I remember last year Ashina called me and she told me that I'm throwing a surprise party for Kapish and you guys are invited. And I was like, very nice. And where is the party? So she's like, you select the place. I was quite taken aback because in that entire surprise party, the only 2 people were us, me and Gaurav. And that made me feel very, very special. You have this quality of making people feel special and in your own ways, in your own correct ways. Which is what makes you very unique from all the other friends that one has. The most beautiful thing about our friendship is that there is no reason to it. We just met on a very different beat and our friendship started off, without a reason. We were not college friends or school friends or family friends, but we just hit it off so well. Like, it was just like 2 pieces of puzzle which just had to be put together. There is something that I haven't told you, which is that your presence is very comforting, and not only comforting, it gives me a huge amount of confidence that nothing will go wrong if you're around. You have guided me at times when I was really not seeking guidance. You have understood, observed, corrected me. By observing simple things about me, like the way I walk or the way I'm talking, you will just understand that something is wrong or something is not, making me, I'm not comfortable. And then you would ask me, and then I would just tell you everything in a flow which I had, never imagined I would. Even if it is after a meeting or while we are going out for a dinner, you would just know it. You just know it. I don't know how, but you know it. And this quality of yours gives me so much confidence that I have one right person in my life who will correct me if I'm going wrong, who will just hold my hand or guide me or just be there, And not one, but many instances have happened where you have stood by like a true friend should stand by. I have like a huge amount of respect for uncle, and I see my father in him. There is some vibe that he gives me which is again very comforting, and there is an automatic respect that comes when I meet him whenever he's around. And it's amazing to see how you are taking forward the legacy that uncle has created, because he has a really larger than life persona, and to keep up to that, to live up to that, it's not easy. I've seen it, that same personality trait in my dad, and I know what Viral is going through, because it's like Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan. You are not Abhishek Bachchan, but I'm just saying. So you are doing a great job, professionally, personally. Your ways of, your choices in life, your way of living is just perfect. You are an inspiration, I'm sure, to many people. And there is something, like that saying is there, that friendship is not who you've known for the longest, but it's about who walked in your life and stood for you and proved it. And you are one of those kind of friends. Like you say, not the 100 friends that you have, but just the 3-4 friends that you choose in your life. You really prove that statement when you say that. So thank you for being there. You are special, and always know it. You have a really special place in our hearts. And we wish nothing but the best for you. Happy birthday once again, Kapish. Hope to meet you very soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kapish Jiju. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jiju. May God bless you.
Happy birthday to
Wish you a very happy birthday, Kapish. Knowing you has been a slow but very interesting journey for me. From the days when I just used to attend the Rupa launch parties and having a very limited interaction with you. The first impressions of you were one of awe and respect. Somebody who's achieved a lot at such a young age. Somebody who had clarity of thought and a lot of maturity for his age. And then gradually, when we started meeting more often socially, whether it was in restaurants or you attending our cards parties and stuff like that, I saw a much more fun side of Kapish. A Kapish that would wear jeans and t-shirts. That was a surprise to me the first time I saw you dressed in that attire. Somebody who liked cracking vulgar jokes and one-liners. Somebody who had an elephant's memory, but a very limited set of friends. But the part of you that has touched me the most is the caring and the genuine side of Kapish. I saw that when my Nani was in the hospital, and when my dad went through his bypass surgery. The fact that you were in the ICU before me means a lot. And is something that I will never forget. You were my go-to person when Papa was recovering from his surgery. While I had many people to tell me that things will be fine and there's nothing to worry, there were very few people like you who could give me genuine and actionable advice, and advice that I could relate to. And advice that was very comforting, given the similar traits that our dads share.
So I can never thank you enough for that. And that is the time that I realized that Kapish is a true and genuine friend, and somebody who I can count on at any point in time. What is also truly inspiring is the way you treat your parents. I saw that side of you when we attended Auntie's 50th birthday. I have probably not seen you as nervous, even in the Rupa launch parties. But it was so sweet. The fact that you've always placed the comfort and joy of your parents above anything is truly admirable, and something that everybody has to learn from you. And then more recently, I saw a wild side of Kapish when you came to our house. A side that one will only see after you are more than a couple of drinks down. But that was one hell of a night. The way you were playing with the kids, the way you were screaming and shouting, maybe things that a lot of things that you probably don't remember, but that was another very interesting side of yours to see. So here's to hoping to see more and more different sides of Kapish. Hopefully we will all do a holiday soon. And the plans of Chalo Lanka and Chalo Bali to of yours to see. So here's to hoping to see more and more different sides of Kapish. Hopefully we will all do a holiday soon. And the plans of Chalo Lanka and Chalo Bali to Chalo Maldives will not only be on WhatsApp and will probably, happen actually as well. So look forward to greater and better times and a lot of fun and wild nights with you. And wishing you a very, very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Kapish. Wishing you a very happy birthday. I'm truly blessed to have a friend like you and hope to see you soon once everything is over, and a very happy Diwali.
Happy birthday, Kapish. See you soon.
Center of my universe. A little special song for you. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.